Hello friends, in this video we are going to teach you step by step how to register and open an account with Zforex broker. Once we enter the trading dashboard in this broker, we go to the account opening page through the Open Real Account option. In this section, you need to enter your first name, last name, an email address that you haven't previously used to open an account with this broker, your phone number, the desired currency, and your country of residence. We accept the terms and conditions of this broker, and finally we click on the Submit button and enter the main dashboard page of this broker. Our account has been successfully opened and we are taken to the main dashboard page of this broker. Our account has been successfully opened, and please note that an email has been sent to your registered email address by the broker, which you need to use to verify your account. As you can see, we have received the email. Click on the Confirm Email option, and as you can see, our registered email address has been successfully accepted by the broker. In upcoming videos, we will go through the steps of identity verification, deposit, and withdrawal in this broker together, step by step. Wishing you success and profitable trades.